Hello everyone, this is Soldering Railway Studios here. I know it's the 70th anniversary, 2 years ago. I could have picked that up, but just 2 years ago when it came out. And finally, at long last, here is it! The Thomas Engine Gift Pack, Special Edition, from the Thomas Wooden Railway line. This set pack features a 2015 style Thomas and a 1942 style Thomas. Thomas has gold wheels, the gold smoke box, and some gold couplings and gold magnets. And this 1942 Thomas is based off a J50 tank engine, which is that. Alright. And on the back, it features the love for generations, past, present, and future. Maybe there'll be a 75th anniversary in 3 years. Although I set up my new review area, let's read. Did you know that before he was the cheeky little engine we know today, the very first Thomas toy was carved from a broom handle? Thomas has come a long way since his humble beginnings. This special edition pack lets you enjoy a replica Thomas engine just like the very first one, along with a new engine celebrating Thomas's rich heritage of friendship. Okay, we just read it. It's special edition. This features 70th anniversary. It's made of real wood. And with that being said, let's unbox it. I'll put the camera down. Okay, they're straight out of the box. So let's examine each one and one of them. Right, let's start with the 1942 Thomas first. See, the 1942 Thomas was created back in 1942. Wilbur Audrey's son, named Christopher, got sick with the measles. So his father decided to make him a toy for Christmas. So even though he made it out of a broom handle and made it into a toy train, and that here is Thomas. This is the toy, and it's still going today. Also, it has lived up to, I don't know, about 75 years. So even though he gave it, he sang, down by the station early in the morning, see the little puffer bellies all in a row. Now comes the driver to see all the engines, puff, puff, chug, chug, off we go. Alright, let me show you all the pictures, shall we? So let's look at the 2015 Thomas now, shall we? Here we go. Alright, and the Thomas story nearly started around 72 years ago. It began way back in 1945, and in 2015, 2 years ago, it now cooperates of the 70th anniversary. He has all the gold. Thomas 2015. Man, I should have done Thomas 1942 before. Also, it marks Thomas and the Magic Railroad's 15th anniversary. This Thomas featured a light blue teal color, a gold smoke box, gold wheels, and gold magnets. or I should say gold magnet couplings. Alright, let me show you a picture of what he looked like, shall we? Okay, we just looked at every one of them. Now we're gonna give a rating of them. Right. The rating for this 2-pack, I rated out of 9.5 out of 10. Although this is the best memorable pack ever. Just like when Zelda's Legend of the Lost Treasure and The Adventure Begins were released. Although, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment about this 2-pack. Give a thumbs up if you like it. We'll see you all and bye for now.